Do this, bitch.
Dude, leave your lights on.
Oh, sweet.
Like.
I give obscure numbers.
Yeah, I don't know what it's saying.
Joe, pace yourself.
Oh, Jared. Oh my God.
God damn.
Joe, oh my God. Joe, you're gonna get less than a minute, man. 25 seconds.
25 seconds,
Wow.
Joe.
Yeah,
25 seconds,
wow.
Joe,
Joe.
get under a minute. Get under a minute.
Jared.
30 seconds.
You gotta
Oh
do
my
this.
goodness.
Awesome.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Go,
Sit down.
30.
36 seconds. Oh no, he's not done yet.
What is that?
Oh my God.
42. 42.
Golly. Let's go, Mike. Come on, man.
Come on, Mike.
50 seconds. Get it under a minute.
Oh, Mike.
Come on, Mike.
Mike, you can do
Mike.
this.
Don't bark on me.
Mike.
Let it out, Jared.
Come on, Mike. Come on.
Let
Got a minute.
it
Got a minute.
out. Don't fight it.
Come on, Mike.
Go, Mike.
Joe, you're not even phased, dude.
I need a beer. Where's my beer?
Wow.
Where's my bear?
Look at that.
Wow.
Doing it.
Mike,
Look
got
at
it.
it. Just keep it
Drinking right
drinking.
there you go.
Minute
Hey.
17. Minute
Good
17.
job.
Hang on. Hold that.
Hey.
Seconds. 84. Still a bitch.
Or if I could, like, sit, I want to cry.
It's good.
Come on, Jared.
Take a picture so we can throw up.
There
There it goes.
Somebody hold the chair.
Oh no.
Don't bust the light.
I just don't want to throw.
Where you going, Mike?
Don't be a bitch and take
How far is it?
Yeah, right there. Burping helps. You know what else helps?
Puking.
Jared, you're almost
My
there.
camera
You got like a beer and a half.
No!
You're almost there.
Pretty good too.
You're almost there.
Yeah. In the wall.
Break down the wall. Forget the wall.
Let's hold the basement team. What was my time?
Dude, you're like a
22.
42.
Yeah.
Pretty good at that.
What are we at so far?
Oh, come on, Jared!
2:30.
I'm gonna tell him. Burp. Trust me, no.
It's weird, that first minute goes by so slow, and after that, it just pile up real quick.
I'm gonna dump my firstborn. That's what I'm gonna do. You know if I drink one more crap, I'm gonna throw up though. Just burp and do it. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Icing on the cake. In front of everyone.
Icing on the cake.
I want to see some both jacked out. Like straight.
Awesome.
Way to
I
go.
leave the house in my garage these days.
Way to go.
You can have this.
3 minutes.
You got it. You got it. That's
You're almost
it.
there. Don't stop.
Ah.
Thank you, Brian.
Two big swallows, Jared. Two big swallows.
Yeah.
I beat my previous best.
Huh?
I beat my previous
I would
best.
say so.
Quite a bit.
You want?
61 to 42. I shaved off.
Jared, remember when I had food poisoning freshman year and I called you and you
19
inspired me to throw up?
You're trading. You're like not trading at all, dude.
Touch the toilet bowl.
Here you go.
Oh, no.
You gotta keep it in, man. You can't let it out.
You're good. He's good. He's got it.
I'm good.
Uh-oh.
I believe in
It's
you.
that non-alcoholic beer, man. Really good.
Almost there.
I heard a picture of that.
Almost
What's your biggest motivation?
Now you got a sugar room. Now you got a sugar room.
No, that's not what you said. You ruined it. You ruined it.
I told him he's gotta keep it in.
Now you got plenty of room.
Look at him.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Yeah.
It's
That was fantastic.
42 seconds.
There's
I didn't think people actually puke like that, man.
It's all gone now. You're done. You're done.
Dude, all the best.
God.
Nice.
Well, at least it's not your
That was
Bring
amazing.
back 010!